Hey guys, welcome back. Rev up your engines. It's time for Auto Care Secret. Gotta check engine light on and your car is running rough? Then stay tuned because I am going to show you how to fix a car that has a bad crankshaft position sensor. I've already hooked up my trusty skin tool to the car, and as you can see, we've got the dreaded P0335 code, which is for the crankshaft position sensor. Now, what is this thing? The crankshaft sensor is what tells the car's computer the exact position of the engine. That is how the computer knows precisely when to fire the fuel injectors and when to fire the ignition spark plugs. So when this part goes bad, the car will often run very poorly if it runs at all. So now the million-dollar question comes, where do they hide this stupid thing? Now, of course, you can look it up online, but on most modern cars, the engineers hide the crankshaft position sensor between the engine and the transmission. Why? Because it measures the flywheel spinning around. And in this case, the evil engineers have hidden it way down here on the back. It's held in by a little bitty 10mm bolt. There's not much working room, so I'm using this little socket wrench. I can barely film it, but trust me, it comes out. Then you just pull out the old crankshaft position sensor. Get the new one, pop it back in the hole, and bolt it back in tight. Next, you must reset the computer, so select Erase Codes and click Yes. Now it's going to erase all the codes, and just like that, the codes are gone. Then you just start it right up and take it for a drive. And off goes the check engine light, it's fixed. And if you've got any car questions, just visit Auto Care Secret.